Artificial turf cleaning is something that needs to be done regularly for obvious reasons. If you neglect cleaning your artificial turf, it can lead to bacteria growth and other nasty things growing in the fibers of the product. A lot of homeowners opt for cleaning their artificial turf by themselves since they know how much dirt accumulates on it over time. However, this cleaning method is not recommended. It might seem like a good idea to you, but cleaning your artificial turf using cleaning chemicals and cleaning tools can cause the fibers of your turf blades to get damaged over time. This will allow bacteria and other pollutants to penetrate deep into its fibers, quickly causing a lot of problems, including foul-smelling odors. If you would rather not take the risk of cleaning your artificial turf by yourself, you are better off hiring professionals to do it for you. Our Prescott Turf Cleaning Division offers efficient artificial turf cleaning services at an affordable cost. We have our own crew of professionals who will use highly advanced equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to clean your artificial grass without damaging its fibers in any way. The truth is that cleaning your artificial turf does not have to be a tedious process. Instead, you can hire professionals to do it for you in just one visit. Our crew will thoroughly inspect your synthetic grass before starting the cleaning process so we can determine which cleaning method works best for your product. Once we have selected the right cleaning solution, our crew will work their magic and ensure that your artificial turf is perfectly clean and fresh. We offer artificial turf cleaning services for both residential and commercial customers. We have the required expertise and equipment to clean any type of artificial turf regardless of its size or shape. Whether you use artificial grass in your garden, patio, pool area, or even in an office, our experts have got you covered. We are also well versed in cleaning artificial turf that has been affected by pet urine, mold, mildew, or algae growth. Once we are done with the proper maintenance, our experts will do a final inspection to ensure your fake grass is free from dirt, debris, and other contaminants so it can serve you for many more years without any problems. If you are looking for an affordable artificial turf cleaning service near Prescott that delivers the desired results, the all-new Prescott Turf Cleaning Service by Yavapai Landscaping is here to help you. Our wealth of experience in this industry enables us to offer state-of-the-art cleaning services at competitive rates. We offer flexible scheduling options and same-day service depending on your requirements, so you never have to worry about your turf not being cleaned on time. To learn more about our cleaning services, get in touch with our experts today. We will be happy to provide you with a free quote and answer any questions you might have regarding the proper maintenance for cleaning. Whether you ask for fake grass cleaning, synthetic turf cleaning, artificial lawn cleaning, artificial turf cleaning, we have you covered. Our Prescott Turf Cleaners are experts in the field, but you still want to learn more about our Prescott Artificial Turf Cleaning Division? Get in touch with our experts today at Yavapai Landscaping at 928-910-4147.